Welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the SVT Play application to your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. This method is going to use the download application. If you don't have a download application, it looks like this. Check the link in the description to learn how to download this application to your Android TV. When downloaded, click it to enter, go to the home toggle, and you see a dialog box for a code. On the code section, to download the SVT Play application, put in the code 2160286. So 2160286. Make sure this code is correct, because if it is wrong, you will not download this particular application. So click on the go button after putting in the code and wait for a couple of seconds. You'll be redirected to a site on which you spend 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're expecting a redirection to provide us a download link. When you receive the download link, you're going to have to click on it to begin the download. As you can see on the bottom of the screen, there's a download button right here. Click on it, and you're going to automatically begin this download in a few seconds. So wait for the progress bar to appear and be patient as the download proceeds. Alright, just be patient for the download to complete, and when it's done, you're going to be able to install, delete the package file, and enjoy the application.